Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block people from viewing your Snapchat story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. Okay, and here you need to click on the gear icon in the top right, and then you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of view my story, and here you need to click on custom, and if you want you can select any friend that you are able to view your story, and if you want you can click on the specific person and you block other person. So I'm going to select the persons that I want to block and click on block. So these are the people that are unable to watch my story. So this is the process by which you can block people from viewing your Snapchat story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.